maybe the issue of coal, maybe mole, even recently the ISL issue, where governments are fighting for environment and all. And then there have been
Look, there are some agitations going on in South for the projects. I don't know why people are projecting when government is so much like, in my opinion, if you say, because I am also part of the government, I could say these projects are for national development. When in our place, in our state, people demonstrate or agitate for widening of like double tracking of railways, I tell you. Now only we could, in some of the track, it was a single track. Even everywhere in our places, they fight for 4 laning, for 6 laning. I don't know why, anyhow, that I don't want to comment on people. I can only request, these are projects, whether it is now, these are national projects, state projects. States and center are much more concerned about development of whole nation. So if you see the double tracking is there, it will benefit ultimately tourists also. It will benefit Goan people also, passengers also, persons who are coming. It will benefit. Like 4 laning, as a police officer, I am more concerned about 4 laning. When 4 laning is there, like at a one stretch you have got 4 lane, suddenly you have got 2 lane. So traffic automatically will be a problem. It will be a congestion. So government has decided for 4 lane. They should allow it. But anyhow, as a police department, will ensure whenever any security is sought by railway officials, by the state government, by the central government, will provide security to railway track, will provide security to 4 laning, transmission, any project which has been declared by the center or the state, will ensure that peace is maintained, nobody should obstruct. They went to railway track, we have registered a case. We register a case, we will take stern action against those people who are obstructing government functions, whether it is center or state. As a police officer, we should not tolerate, and it is for the whole development of the whole nation.
They are saying that they are fighting for Goa's environment, what is left in Goa?
That controversy, as a police officer, I don't want to go in that. But I only have one comment, because I have also got environment background. I am agriculture graduate and postgraduate, as well as I was, before coming to IPS, I was in Indian Forest Service. So for 3 years I have been under training. So we got 2 years there and 1 year in the field. So I have got experience with the environment also. The government of Goa and government of India must have done studies before having any project, because there are already studies are there. But I don't want to still, as I say, I don't want to go in that comment. But whenever government takes up, center or state takes up any project in such area, they conduct, there is a proper procedure for that. So anyhow.
Sir, what is the status of Deputy Chief Minister phone hacking case?
साडी शॉपिंग करपाक आता बेळगांव वचपाची गरज ना. पणजीतल्या बॉम्बे बाजारांत तुमकां दर्जेदार प्रकारच्यो साडयो खरेदी करपाक मेळटा. नवीन व्हंकलेक नववारी असो किंवा उत्तर भारतीय लेहंगा, सिल्क साडी किंवा कॉटन साडी, तुमची पसंत आणि आमचे कलेक्शन. साडी स्वतः खातीर खरेदी करा किंवा गिफ्ट करा. बॉम्बे बाजार, 18 रोड, पणजी.